Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me and I hope you're having the most amazing day. In this video, I wanted to look at something that I have only recently discovered, and they are these cute little Cadbury Dairy Milk Freddo treasure chests. It does say that one portion is worth 76 calories. I don't know what one portion is, but I think it's sorry guys, potentially one container is 78 calories, so not a bad treat for your child. It does say they're new and they are Coca Life, so they're reasonably resourced. They're new and we're going to go ahead and start opening them. We have 13 here. I know that's an unlucky number for some, but this is all the shop had. So I figured let's just buy them all. The cost of these little Dairy Milk Freddo treasure chests are 99p each. So let's open these and see if we got our money's worth. So destroyed the packet. So when you open it, this is what you see. You see discover a surprise. So I'm assuming this is where our toy is. And then down here you can scan to unlock your adventure. Guys, feel free to scan this code. I probably won't use it. So this sounds to me like this is where we're getting our chocolate treats. So let's open this end first. Okay, so we have little Cadbury chocolate buttons, and guys, I don't know if you've tasted upside down Cadbury's chocolate, but it is delicious and creamy and really nice. So you get a pot of those, and let's see what we get on our surprise. I like to pull the tab right across. Some people like to go straight in the middle. Each to their own. I think that is totally fine. Okay, so the first thing that we get, let us open this. Oh my gosh, they have these packed in tight. Oh wow, we get our checklist. So as I've never seen these before, I don't know what surprises we're likely to get inside, but let's have sorry guys, a quick look. So we have introducing Freddo and his friends. So we have Freddo right here, and we have all of his little friends here, and I'm assuming when you scan the barcode you can play online with all these friends, and then our treasures that we can get are here. So we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially 5 different toys. Well, we have 13, so hopefully we'll get everything, and we will possibly get some duplicates. So we'll set our checklist right here. And the first thing that we got, oh, this is cute. This is this little like pinball typed game. You have your little pearls or balls right here, and you try to get them into the little cutouts. Not great for showing you guys on screen, but cute, sturdy enough. Yep, that's pretty cute. So that's our toy number 1. So yay. Let's go straight ahead with, I'm just going to, oh, there is a tear strip. I decimated the first one, but you do get a tear strip. Okay, we have our chocolate on one side, and we have our toy on the next side. So let's pull that out and see what we got. Okay, this is a duplicate toy, but it is a different character, so I'm not mad at that. I don't mind having multiple little toys. I'm not going to open this one because I might end up putting it in a giveaway or in potentially in a gift or something like that. I'm not sure, but let's go ahead and open number 3. So again, we have our chocolate, and let's see what our surprise is. And I think there's a decent amount of chocolate in here for this being a little toy and a chocolate pot. You're getting, I mean, that is a decent amount of chocolate for any kind of kid to have in one sitting. Okay, so we got a different, oh, we got a friend. Oh, this is so cute. Let's open this one. Same checklist. We'll set that off to the side. Let's see who we got using our checklist. So we must get more than just these treasures. So we can get the friends as well as the treasures. So we got Paddy, this little guy right here. This is cute. I like this. So awesome. That's great. Let's go ahead and see who else we get. I'm probably not going to open the sweets. You guys have now seen the sweets. You know what we're getting. We're just looking out for our toys. Oh wow. This is a new toy. Let's open you up and find out what we got. Oh my gosh, these are difficult to open. These are tight. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to go get something that I can open this with. So stay right there. Okay, we're back. Guys, if you need help getting these open, please do ask an adult. We have our checklist, which we'll set off to the side. And we have, oh, what are these things called? Can anybody remember the clackers? Is that what these are called? And we have Freddo on one side and all of his friends on the other side. So that's fun, noisy, but fun. So that's cute. That's adorable. Let's see what else we get. These toys are pretty cool. I mean, I really like it. And I love the fact that there's this creamy chocolate treat. What did we get? Okay, let's see what we got inside here. Okay, it looks like we've got a jigsaw puzzle. Guys, I'm not going to do this jigsaw puzzle and I'm not going to open it because once it's opened, I'm not going to be able to get it back together again. But this is the pattern of our jigsaw puzzle. You have all the pieces there and you also have a checklist. So that's super fun. Next one. So we're almost halfway there. Let's pop open our toy. Okay, we have another one of these. Duplicate of our little pinball toy. Let's go with this one and see what we get. These are fun. Have you guys opened these? If you have, let me know in the comments below and let me know what you think of the toys that you're getting inside. You think they're good quality or not? I'm always interested in your take on the things that I do. Guys, another little, who is this? Paddy. So that's a duplicate. Don't know if we're going to get all the toys in this bundle, but if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below and I can do a part 2 to this video. Okay, we have another jigsaw, exactly the same one. That's a duplicate. Let's open the next one. Oh my gosh. Guys, have you ever tasted Cadbury's chocolate? Does anybody like Cadbury's chocolate? Is it your favorite? If not, tell me what. So sorry. I got this terrible cough today. If you guys have tasted the Cadbury's chocolate and it is one of your favorite, let me know in the comments. And if not, let me know what is your favorite brand of chocolate. But we have another one of these little clackers. It is exactly the same pattern as the first one that we got. So guys, we're down to 3 after this one. Let's see what we get inside. And we got a spinner. Oh wow. So I'm just going to try to get this opened and then I can show you. Oh, so this is cute. This is a different toy. And again, we got our checklist, but let's move these to the side and see. Well, that was terrible. But we have all of our little friends. Let's see what we've. Oh, that's cute. It's different. Pretty happy about that. Let's see what else we got. So we're down to our last few. Okay, what is this? Okay, we got another one of the little pinballs. It is a duplicate. So we have a duplicate of that little pinball. Let's throw that up there. Let's go with our next one. Trying to create just a little bit of room here so we can display our items. So guys, we have one left after this one. And it looks like we're not probably going to get the full set. We have another jigsaw. Okay, this jigsaw is different. This was our original jigsaw. This is our second one. So really cute, vibrant colors. I'm not mad at that. That is perfectly okay. Let's go down to our very, very last one. Let's hope we don't get a duplicate and we get something completely different. What have we got on this checklist? So we have the clacker. We have the little pinball. We have a topper, a spinner. We have the jigsaws. So the only thing that we don't have is this one, which I think is like a writing pad. So I'm hoping, rub it for luck. I'm hoping that we get this, at least so we can see what it looks like. But let's look. Okay. No, we got another spinner. Well, that's okay. I don't mind that. It is a duplicate of the first one that we had. So this is what it's like out of the packaging. That's okay. I mean, I'm not mad at getting duplicates. I can use the ones that we didn't open to give away. So I'm totally happy with that. And I get to eat all of this chocolate. All of this chocolate I get to eat. Amazing. I couldn't be happier. That is awesome. So guys, let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. I would ask a favor, if you wouldn't mind. If you're viewing this video and you've got to the end, it would be greatly appreciated if you could like this video. The more you guys like it, the more it helps support my channel, and I am a small channel, just really getting started. So if you guys wouldn't mind and do me a complete solid and like my video, that would be amazing. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. The way I think of it is the more the merrier. And if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. If the comment section below is disabled and you guys want to contact me or you have suggestions, head over to my Instagram. It's at shishi3322 and leave a comment there and I will happily come back to you. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for your support, and I'm going to catch you next time. I got to go and eat all this chocolate. So you guys have fun, take care, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.